It's a maxi budget, one that Italy's parliament will have to approve by the end of the year. Having to relaunch the economy of the first country in Europe to have been hit by the COVID-19 pandemic is quite a task. It is going to cost more than 38 billion euros, although the figure might increase as the plan will be revised in the coming weeks. Healthcare is where the extra spending is going. 400 million euros have been allocated to buy vaccines and drugs to treat patients with COVID, and 70 million euros will be used to buy rapid tests. Measures to support struggling businesses and to save thousands of jobs are at the centre of Italy's fiscal plan. 5.3 billion euros will fund furlough schemes, plus the extension until March of a ban on dismissals that was due to expire in January. It's also adding to the budget. But as Italy is the country in Europe that is set to receive the largest share of the European Union's recovery fund, a part of these resources will be used to tackle some of the long-standing issues widely seen as holding back Italy and its economy. 15 billion euros worth of grants from the EU will be invested mainly in green policies and to make the country more digital and innovative. Prime Minister Conte described the funding as a way to build a better Italy, although allocation of resources will very much depend on how good national governments will be at outlining how they actually intend to spend the funds. But the EU Commission will have to work hard to avoid the risk of the money being delayed, and even if everything goes as planned, resources will not start to arrive before spring next year. In line with the new approach to public spending, the budget plan also includes tax breaks aimed at getting more women back to work and also to encourage youth employment. The new package of measures will inevitably push up the deficit in 2021, and after Greece, Italy's public debt is set to remain the highest in the Eurozone. Giorgia Orlandi for Euronews in Rome.